Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Need to Breathe. It has been a long time since we had Need to Breathe here in Gordon Guitar, but now it's time again with the song called I Don't Wanna Worry. Alright, so it has this cool bass going on here. And mostly it's about 3 chords, so we'll bring in a 4th chord as well there sometimes. So we have 2 different alternatives to play here from the beginning till the very end. Let's take a look at this one together. Capo set here on the 3rd fret, and with that we have these 4 chords: E minor, C, G, and D. Alright, so very famous combo there. Let's start with E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G there, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And this is the main part here, played with these 3 first chords: E minor, C, G, and then we have the final chord, which is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so let's take a look at this main part here. It goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna play E minor and play 1 down, then clap, and then up down. So. Alright, and then you shift to C and play that one on the up, and then just a clap. And then you shift to G and play up, and then a pause, and then clap, pause, and then up, and clap, like this. Alright, so that is E minor, down, clap, up, down, C, up, clap, then G, up, clap, like this. And that's 1 round. Alright, so everything here is about the right timing here. So again, so that was 2 rounds, and that is the main part. Alright, the second alternative here, if you listen to the song, it starts in the first time at 1 minute and 1 second into the song. You can hear this added D chord in the end of the strumming. So it goes exactly in the same way to begin with. So E minor, C, clap, up, and then on G, up, clap, and then on the final up clap, you play that one on the D. And that's all the difference. So the difference happens there in the G part. You're gonna play and start the G as you did in the main round here. So up, pause, clap, and then comes the up clap in the end there. And that's where you're gonna play the D up clap. Everything else is the same. So slowly 1 round of the second alternative goes like this. That's the first round, and the second round is. Alright, so you have 2 different ways of playing this song here. You can stick with the main part, E minor, C, G, and that will be enough. If you want, you can level up here to the second alternative with the D incorporated there. From the beginning till the very end, Need to Breathe, I Don't Wanna Worry. So, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please support me here on Gordon Guitar, and until next time, play tuned.